professional protection scheme is very important. As day by day, the medical legal cases are on increase. People are taking disadvantage of the Consumer Protection Act, and because of that, then there are many cases which are lodged against the doctors. So there are two types of schemes. One is for the protection of the doctor himself, and there is again the other scheme, protection of the hospital.
Right.
So
Right.
these are two different schemes. For that, you have to become a member of both the schemes. And in these schemes, when you become a member and any patient lodges a complaint against you, whatever expenses are there for the advocate, that all is paid by the scheme. A person has just to apply to the office of the scheme, what has happened, he has to furnish them all the details, and then rest of the things are taken care by the scheme people.
Definitely.
They will fight from the district level to high court level to Supreme Court level.
Right.
So this PPS scheme is in the state. At the same time, it is at a national level also.
Right. Right.
Both the schemes are very good. Everybody should become a member of both the schemes so that the helping I am also registered here in the both, in my personal name also and in the name of Naik Hospital also.
Right. Right.
Second thing important I want to tell you, there are many private companies who are coming up with this professional protection scheme, but they are very funny people. Whenever any incident happens in a hospital or in a doctor's chamber, first they want to see to it how the insurance goes away from the policy.
Right.
Because in the plan you have to mention that I have got so facilities. I have got ECG machine, no, sir. I have got OT, everything. If you don't put there that you have got a ECG facility, if a patient of heart attack comes to you, you take out his ECG,
Right.
and then something bad happens, they will say you have not mentioned
Right.
that you are have ECG machine. So this case does not come in the ambit of your scheme.
Right.
So what is their intention is to see to it that the case goes out of the ambit of the policy.
Right.
But that is not done by policy era.
Okay.
We see to it that every case should come under the ambit.
Right. Right. Right.
So I request everybody to join the PPS scheme of the Maharashtra state, of the PPS scheme of the national level, and have a faith on the policy era.